Hi, my lovely subscribers. How are you? Today, I want to share with you a quick, comforting meal. Ready in just 10 minutes. First, minced 3 cloves of garlic. This simple homemade dish with juicy tomatoes, savory minced pork, and a rich sauce that's perfect for a quick family meal. Love the video, hit subscribe button. Your support means a lot to us. Put minced garlic to the pan. Next, cut leek right in the middle. 2 separate white and green part. Because you will use different time during cooking process. Add leek white part to the garlic pan. And stir fry for 1 minute until fragrant and slightly softened. Add the 200 grams minced pork and cook for 3 to 4 minutes, breaking it apart with a spatula until browned. Next, add 1 tablespoon of rice wine to reduce smelling of pork meat. Add ½ teaspoon dark soy sauce. Add 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Add ½ tablespoon chicken seasoning. Add 1 tablespoon sugar. Add ½ tablespoon black peppers. Add 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. Stir well to coat the pork evenly. Cut half white onion, sliced. Add white onion to the pan. Add leek green part to the pan. Two tomatoes, cut into wedges. Add the tomatoes and cook for 2 to 3 minutes until they soften and release their juices. Stir everything together and simmer for another minute to blend the flavors. Now let's make corn slurry. Add corn slurry to the pan and stir well to coat the pork evenly. Stir everything together and simmer for another minute to blend the flavors. Remove from heat and serve hot with steamed rice. Thank you for watching today's video. See you in next recipes.